pronouncing and what you are trying to mention very with the important task with the effort. So it's very hard for us. So I'd like to request you to mention all of us once again that we should maintain the instruction from you. That will be very helpful for us to learn something from you. Thank you, Laoshi.
Okay, okay. Thank you. 谢谢你，韩语. I know your means. Okay, I know. So next class we still use live streaming. Okay. Only do this you can see the recording maybe better because now I know it's really hard for all of you because you cannot go to the real classroom. Yes, the Chinese such as the pronunciation and even the Chinese character. Actually, I need write down in the blackboard and you see. But now we have to through the computer and online. Next time when we use the live streaming, I will keep all of you cannot speak, okay? Because this is fire for everybody. Because everyone always forgot to turn down the mic, and maybe there will have too much noisy voice. So if you want to answer my question or you want to give speaking, you can raise hand. Maybe we need a little time between I and you link the mic, but please overcome the difficult. Okay? And every class I can best to left around 10 minutes to answer your question or your problem. At least 5 minutes or 5 to 10 minutes up to the content we have learned. Okay, now we start our class. Let's see the rules of pinyin. Everybody, let's see. Here is ji, qi, and xi. Please follow me. Ji, qi, xi. Very good. Ji, qi, xi. When ji, qi, xi stay with yu, how to write them? We will cancel the two dots of yu. Keep ji, qu, xu, ji, yu, ju, qi, yu, chu, xi, yu, xu, ju, chu, xu. Why we write down like this? Because ji, qi, xi cannot stay with wu, just stay with yu. So we write down ji, qi, xi and yu together. We can cancel the two dots just like this. Understand? So let's see the words. There is yu, yue, yuan, yun, and ji, qi, xi. Say with yu, yuan, yun, yu, yue, yuan, yun. We should ji yu, ju, qi yu, xu, xi yu, xu. Okay, who want to have try? Here is a table. Okay, Abdul, please 请
yuan, yun, yu, yuan, yuan, hu, hui, quan, con, yu, yui, yuan, yuan.
OK，谢谢 Abdul，谢谢。
谢谢 madam，
Please pay attention
谢
to
谢。
基于居、基约约、基渊捐、基晕君。OK， want to have try？ Saha, please.
基于居、基约缺、基捐捐、基公君。
Oh, very good. Saha, very good. 谢谢，谢谢。Next one， 区、契约、契约、契渊、屈渊。沙海德 ，please。